din si Mocha. Tapos pinabot na ako ng siyam-siyam. Kami Mocha. Let's dry you out. Ayun, mabango na. Ayun, mabango na. Mocha. Alright, Clive. You don't fight with your brother, okay, Clive? You play together. Oh, grabe. Ako naman ang susunod na maligo. Grabe, nagsisisi ako na dinala ko sila doon kasi si Clive, ang dami niyang yung pulgas. Hindi nagarapatay, pulgas. Mahirap hulihin. Kaya sabi lagyan ko daw ng 7 na powder. Ito yung sugat ni ni Mocha, sa mata pala siya nadali ni Clive nung nag-aaway sila. Stand up. Let me see. Can I smell you, baby? Can I smell you? Can I smell? Yeah. Oh, bango-bango na. Bango na. Up, 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 come on. Come here. Up, up. Let's go. Yeah. You want to come over there? You want to sit there? Where's your treat? Where's your toy? Your butt wet. Yeah, I'm so wet. I'm wet. Do you want this? Ah, you want this? Ah. Oh, sit down. Down. Sit down. Good boy. Sweet potato. Clive didn't like it. Oh, you just spit it out. Go eat it. Eat this. Kiss mama, kiss. Kiss mama. Kiss mama. You don't drop it. I will step on it. And it will be sticky. Ah, good boy. So you want sugo, huh? Oh my goodness. Wait. Paano ko ba sila ipapamigay? Para mabawasan ako ng responsibility. Bigay ka na? Ha? Can I give you away, Mocha? Kiss mama, kiss. Kiss mama. You just want the treat, huh? Oh, wait. Sweet potato ni mama. Kaya kakain na. Don't drop it. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Yan ang aming ginagawa habang walang internet. Kaya hindi ako nakakapag-press back sa inyo. At hindi ako makapaglapag. Ang dami pa namang mga videos and photos. Hi, Clive. Come here. But you don't fight with your brother. Naku, ewan ko pa dito kay Clive. Bakit lagi niyang inaaway ito? Say bye-bye. Thank you for watching, guys. And this is Mama with white hair. Bye. Follow for more.